Discover how effortless it is to maintain your Wangqirui electric massage chair with our step-by-step guide on disassembling the remote control. This comprehensive video tutorial ensures you can keep your remote in top condition, extending its life and enhancing your relaxation experience. Crafted by the experts at Wangqirui, known for their innovative massage chairs designed for ultimate comfort and durability, this tutorial provides clear instructions that anyone can follow. Enjoy peace of mind knowing that with just a few simple steps, you can resolve minor issues or replace batteries, ensuring uninterrupted enjoyment of your massage chair's full range of features. Experience the difference with Wangqirui, where technology meets tranquility.